Yep. Guys,
Yeah,
Bruce just told me he's getting a lesbian car.
I am.
Mm-hmm.
I'm joining the club.
No, tell him what it is.
It's not a cult. I'm trying to get a Subaru Crosstrek.
It's not a cult, but there are 2 lesbians in it now, which is more than there are in most groups. So,
Do I get a card? A little membership card?
yeah, we carry those.
Do I have to put a special bumper sticker on the back, or?
Yeah. There's a little hole punch for the carabiner that you put on your console. Don't worry about it. Nobody gets the carabiner thing anymore.
Carabiners. I have some. Oh, they're all in the van. Tech van. Tech van is full of carabiners.
You're already a lesbian.
Well, it's got these I don't know, track hook systems.
Yeah.
I don't know. You can put hooks everywhere with little loops, and then put carabiners everywhere and bungee cords, and strap in and strap down and strap on and all that
Hell,
jazz.
man, you're doing better than I am.
Yeah.
Sorry, somebody just got an Arby's commercial on my stream. Arby's on my stream? I don't think so.
That sounds
We're
good.
gonna have to talk to them about that.
Oh.
Did you say sounds good? Arby's is the most disgusting thing I've ever had.
I can't even remember the last time I've actually had any Arby's. Actually, even any fast food. I think the last fast food I had was Culver's.
I ate KFC like yesterday, bro. So I was actually really mad. I got back from the game at night, and not even at night. I just crashed after I got back from the game. So I woke up at night and I was like, I really want mashed potatoes. And so I ordered some delivery, obviously, because I was too fucking lazy and kind of still inebriated to drive. And so I guess it was like right before closing, so they didn't have any left. So the guy brings it to me, and they gave me corn instead. And I was like, I want to eat corn at 11 p.m. So that was fucked up. My entire life is ruined, basically.
These are difficult times. Is our audio okay? Somebody was asking if we're coming through okay. Somebody in chat tell us if... my connection's not the best. My upload is not the best, but a couple weeks, it'll be good. It'll be better.
Good. Okay. All right. So we'll go ahead and get into this. We're waiting for our friend Sniffle Ninja, but she's going to be a little bit, I think. I don't know when she's going to be ready. So our friend David came back from the dead today. As most of you know by now, I guess he has not revived his Twitter account yet, but he's back on his blog, which is just probably the best news I've ever heard.
Yeah.
What were the last couple of things he has on there? He has that, and then he has something from like June 10th, and then he has that warning Judge Julie Mata thing that he did, and I'm just like, do you really want to keep that up there?
Of all the stuff he deleted, it's kind of crazy. I think he just deleted all the stuff.
That's to leave there.
I think he really just deleted all the stuff that was more focused on, Laura specifically.
Yeah.
Versus his involvement in the case.
Mm-hmm. Well,
and that's fair, I guess, if he wants to delete it. I mean, there's copies out there, so.
So the dude went on this whole rant about how he was going to visit his mom in Florida. So naturally, I left the state immediately and then got sick.
Oh no!
Yeah, that was when I was at Omar's house a couple times, like a couple weeks ago, and he deleted his Twitter. We know that. And then I come back here, and he goes back there. Thankfully, we were not really here intersecting, because I know that, I don't ever want to run into that guy at Publix. But he went back to Arizona, and then somehow he got more crazy when he left Florida than when he came here, I guess, because he started blogging again. And I'm thinking, I've never seen that in my life. It's not usually the way that goes.
You've never seen what?
Anyone get more crazy when they leave here versus when they come here? So,
saying he was pretty chill in Florida. I mean, we don't know what he was doing. He could have been up to some crazy shenanigans. We don't know.
I don't know. He says that he was tiling his mother's porch
24/7. I mean,
sure,
you do a lot in a day.
I mean, you can accomplish a lot between the meth binges, but whatever. Anyways, I put this on a Google Doc, like I was just telling you, because There's a 90% chance this asshole is going to try to sue me for copywriting his stupid blog. Not that it means anything or is worth anything, but it never stopped him before. So we'll read it that way. Again. Somebody says I'll have to visit Florida. Don't. I wouldn't.
Why? Right.
Oh, we'll talk about that later.
The Gulf Coast is nice in the winter.
The Gold Coast?
Gulf.
Oh, Gulf Coast. And there's the Gold Coast too, but no, Gulf Coast, I guess.
Oh boy. Yeah.
I guess Northwest Florida is like my favorite.
The Gulf of whatever it's called now. I don't.
No, we're not even going to get into that. Yeah. All right. Anyways, so here is his kind of interesting rambling for today, which says a lot, but nothing at the same time. 2 weeks ago, I left Arizona. My plan to enjoy some time visiting my mom in Florida for her birthday. On my way out of town, I deleted my Twitter account. It's been a tough year and a horrible summer. Well,
Dang.
I mean, that has something to do with your arrest.
Why does it say star date? Did you add that?
No, I didn't. I don't know. I was just sitting there.
Is he a Star Trek fan? That's cool.
Maybe.
Do you like Star Trek, Lauren? I like The Next Generation.
I've never seen it.
Also,
I watched Star Wars. I did not watch Star Trek.
Oh, Star Trek's good. The Next Generation is pretty good. Also, Deep Space Nine. Deep Space Nine, you got to kind of already be into it, though, I think. But then it's really good. Deep Space Nine. Yeah, it was like a mid-90s version.
I was born in 92, so I don't remember anything that happened.
It's like classic TV, you don't? Okay, anyway. Now I'm old. Fine.
I mean, I watched Pokemon 2000. That's about what I remember from my childhood.
That's a good point. He had to sell his boat. He didn't say he had to. He said he did sell his boat. He didn't say why he sold his boat.
I just figured it was unemployment, but yeah.
But
sure.
Presumably that's related to his horrible summer.
Oh, that's right. He did make a big deal out of that.
But to me, selling a boat is good because boats are just a money pit. So you want to sell them. The best boat is a friend with a boat. That's the best boat.
Oh yeah, I know. I still think that I would like to live on a boat and just like not have a house.
A houseboat? Well, yeah, maybe. I think I have a friend who I worked with who did that. He moved to the Oregon coast and lived on a boat. I don't know how long he did that, but
yeah,
it's it's like Sonny Crockett in Miami Vice. He lived on a sailboat.
Yeah,
Don Johnson.
I don't know how to sail though. It would have to be like I'll think about this.
Anyway. See, that's what I kind of thought Gingras was going to do. He was going to get a one-way ticket out of Arizona, sell his boat, delete Twitter, go to Florida, get on the Gulf Coast.
We're like 3 for 4 right now, I think.
By one of those Miami Vice drug boats, the long, skinny kind that can go real fast, and just dip out to Cuba. Because here's the thing, if this bar thing goes south, Cuba does not extradite to the United States. Plus, they have good cigars.
He's not going to be arrested for that, right? The DUI thing, maybe. But
yeah, he could just dip out and hang out in Cuba. They rebuild classic cars. They got good cigars. It could be okay.
Yeah.
Cigar boats, is that what they're called? Yeah.
I don't know, man.
Cigarette boats or something.
I don't smoke cigars or crack, so I'm not really sure.
Oh well, we got a lot of work to do. But well, the crack is good. Don't smoke crack.
So you do or don't want me to smoke crack?
What? No, don't do illegal drugs.
I don't quite understand the assignment.
We got a lot of work to do. It's like Nancy Reagan said, just say no to illegal drugs.
Okay. I'm going to have to visit all the states and find out how I feel about that one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyways, I think our friend is here now, but I'm not positive. She told me she
might be.
Maybe she's trolling me.
I'm on a boat.
Oh boy.
Can you sing the whole song, please?
That's all I know.
Wow.
Are we singing the Andy Samberg version?
Yeah, of course.
There's also Boats and Hoes from Step Brothers, which is great.
Mm-hmm. Boats and Hoes.
Oh my.
I love that movie.
I'm not sure which one of those songs is better, to be honest.
Or Time to Say Goodbye.
Why not both?
Oh, true. Should do a medley.
Anyways, our friend here says turning off social media and getting away seemed like a good idea, and for the last couple of weeks, it was. Okay,
Nice.
so why stop a good thing? Why change?
Right.
But now I'm back and I'm struggling with this. Should I remain silent or spill the tea?
The struggle is real. Why does he have? What does he mean tea?
I can see both sides of the argument. First of all, who are you arguing with here? Second, I don't really know a lot of people who say spill the tea. I know Dave says it, but like Dave is, he's a podcaster and he does.
It's a big Bachelor thing.
Maybe David is being facetious here.
It's a popular slogan.
I don't know if David knows how to be facetious, or at least not funny.
Are we avoiding his name, or are we
David?
calling him my friend?
No, David's a cunt. We can say David. It's fine.
What? Rude.
Really?
You know what? I think he's a gunt.
The dude threatened to sue me for 6 figures or something over a stupid non-monetized video. I don't care if you think I'm being rude.
He is rude and disappointing.
You guys know what a gunt is?
No.
It's a gut cunt. When your gut meets your cunt.
What?
It's a gunt.
I wasn't born with that, so I'm going to ask you to bring this to
I wasn't born with that.
Yeah,
I thought that was
another conversation.
Isn't that a fupa?
Oh God.
Or is it like a bigger fupa? What is it?
An ufu. I also have another term. It's an ufupa, an fat upper pussy area.
What?
It's like when it reaches up higher, it like reaches the upper.
I don't know her.
I never did good in geography class. I don't know what's going on here.
I didn't realize this was going to be so off-putting.
Oh boy, we scared Lauren off.
Sorry, I'll mute myself now.
I think what we need like a love with a block diagram, and we can point out all this anatomy. Yeah,
I could be into that.
Wait, our pictures are not okay. I don't know.
Yeah,
things are moving. This is crazy. Spill the tea. Here, yeah, I don't know. Like, here's the thing. Why? If he has something to say, why doesn't he just say it? Why is he talking about it instead of just saying it? I mean, it's fine. He can say what he wants. It's his prerogative. He can try to convince me that Laura was pregnant. He can try to convince me that Clayton was the father. He can try to convince me that she had a miscarriage. But so far, his standards of evidence have been so poor in terms of convincing me of any of these things that it's just like, I'm still stuck at the null hypothesis.
Same.
I'm sorry, we just went from FUPA to null hypothesis, and I'm a little disoriented.
Try to keep up, Lauren. It's Monday night, isn't it? I don't know.
I think it's Monday. Yeah, I'm not positive though.
So wait. Read Techfall 15's comment.
Ethan Ralph has a gunt. Oh,
I don't even know who that is.
Gunt.
Who's Ethan Ralph?
Stop trying to make gunt happen. I hate you guys.
I don't understand.
Who is Ethan Ralph?
I don't even know.
What? Then why did you make me read that?
Because I said gunt.
Yeah, but why is it funny?
Because I could tell you Lauren was going to hate saying that.
You're a dick.
He's a podcaster, by the way. 39 years old.
What does he podcast about?
I don't know. He looks like he could be a Trumper. I don't know.
What?
Oh.
Okay.
God, wait.
I don't know who this is, but it was pretty funny. So who's this? Techfall 15 is the real hero here.
Yeah, I feel saved. Absolutely.
This says American podcaster, self-proclaimed gonzo journalist, and convicted revenge pornographer.
Oh dear. Convicted.
I'm sorry. I'm just like, you know how this happened last time, right? I was doing my stream and David went and filed with the copyright office while I was doing the stream.
Yes.
So I'm imagining him doing that right now and just like writing the word gunt in there somewhere.
He should.
Copied my blog.
Massive gunt.
Stuff about massive gunt.
That's what Mark Harding said.
Oh boy.
Okay. All right. Anyways, I still don't know who he's arguing with, but he's gonna, I guess, tell us himself. For one thing, I get tons of online hate from a certain group. When I don't talk, they have less to say. Don't feed the trolls. Life is better. Well, then what are you doing? On the other hand, I have a lot of things to say and admit it. At least some of it is interesting. But like, he's interesting in the way that somebody's funny when they're not trying to be. You know?
Mhm.
I mean, when he was talking about how the the order of protection hearing ultrasound was actually Laura's sister's, that was pretty interesting. I mean, if he has things like that to say, I'd really like to hear them.
That's true.
Those are interesting things.
We're gonna need to break out the stash for that kind of information, but yeah.
Like when he said that Laura thought she was having boy-girl twins because the boy-girl part was just a feeling, like a Ouija board or something. I don't know. Like
I remember
a tarot card. That was
Sydney.
interesting. If he tells us interesting things, I'm ready to hear about
He
them.
didn't even realize that was tea, though. That's a funny
It's been
thing.
almost a year.
He doesn't?
It's been almost a year. Somebody forwarded me that while I was sitting in Australia, and I remember we went live like twice that morning. It was morning for me, and I remember that day specifically because that was the day that I got up out of my chair and I put the microphone up to my ass, and Bruce was just terrified.
Because these headphones are really high quality, so anything that happens is going to be, the sound reproduction is just going to be crystal clear, so I gotta be careful.
I put it out of the chair and I brought it over there. She was like, "What is she doing?" Oh no, oh no, oh boy, we have work to do. All the other things that he says.
Sorry, standards of evidence.
Somebody says, I remember that day too. We had lunch. We did have lunch.
Lunch.
I met my friend that day.
Did you have a motion to compel that lunch?
No, but next time, I will not hang out with Drunkest Turtle unless I do get one. So thank you.
Demand a motion to compel lunch, of course. Yeah.
Read Living in Purgatory's comment too.
Hang on, Hito Izakura, what's up? Every time DG thinks he has a grand argument, he just ends up exposing more of his incompetence and LO's lies. I was thinking about Hito recently because I remember how Reddit handled it when he tried to subpoena her information, and I was like, wow, imagine fucking YouTube did that.
Right?
Then I wouldn't have a record in Gort right now.
Gort?
Gort? I didn't say Gort, I said Gort.
I thought you said Gort, like making a play on Gunt.
I'm taking my Gunt.
I'm not playing with your Gunt. Stop trying to make me play with your... Okay. Anyways,
Living in Purgatory's comment.
Stop doing this to me.
Oh boy.
Yes, loving the chat. Loving the chatter about guns. Fupas, as anytime I can laugh my tits off about a big old panis.
Wait, what's a panis?
Keep reading.
FYI, panis is the official medical term for the gunt. You three are my faves. Well, you know what?
I'm calling telehealth immediately.
I'm gonna text the hotline for gunts.
Here's
Mom
the thing
doc or us.
Here's the thing about Hito's comment. I'm not as interested in Gingras's grand arguments. I'm interested in the trivia. Like when he just drops some random trivia. Like, oh yeah, Laura just had a feeling she had boy-girl twins. Oh yeah, that's Laura's sister's ultrasound. Mm-hmm. Just give me some trivia, man. You don't even need to construct any arguments or legal arguments or anything. Just tell me the tea on what you know. That's just like inconsequential trivia, and it'll be great. Everybody will click on your blog, watch your YouTube video. It'll be good.
I tried that. I think we know how that ended. And Omar's a little occupied these days. So if we get into another, little scuffle, it's going to be pro se me versus pro se David because he's going to lose his license.
Oh dear, we're gonna have to retain new counsel.
There will be no licensed attorneys in this fight. Sadly, YouTube usually lets the copyright strikes go through to protect themselves. Oh yeah, except for Laura's. They knew Laura's were stupid. I do know a hilarious case where YouTube did protect a YouTuber when an author tried to strike her. Oh man.
Nice.
Yeah. No, Laura's 2 or 3 times that she tried to strike me. They sent me the full complaint every time, and I was just like, "You're fucking unhinged."
Ditto. I got one from her and then one from Jan.
One of
On
mine
the
was supposed to be from
on the
Jan
same
too.
video. They did not want those videos of her falling off the horses on the internet.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
It
And
was
then I tried to post that because it's not her video. She doesn't own the copyright to that. So then I
Exactly.
remember because I got your permission, and I was like, I tried to post that from a bunch of different accounts.
Yeah, I know it's all over the internet now, sweetie.
Yeah. I was
That's
like,
the
you know what? I
Streisand
could put
effect.
it
If you
here
try
and
to
here and
remove
here.
it, people will just share it even more widely.
Mm-hmm. That's true.
Mm-hmm.
So that doesn't work.
Somebody says, what time was this written? Well, it was at least 9 a.m. in Arizona, so it wasn't night, but it was time for him to be drunk, I guess.
Star Trek time? I don't know.
So noon in Florida.
Yeah, but he's not here anymore.
Oh, he isn't?
No, that's what he was talking about up here. He says he's back, and that's why he's having this conflict of.
Oh,
I guess this is
that's
a
right.
big thing for him. I don't know. I think he should have probably stayed put, but that's just me.
Got it.
Let's see. In the back of my mind, I want to believe the law, and the truth still matters to some folks, even if it's only a small percentage of you.
I mean, who says the law and the truth don't matter?
I don't know. Is it about his copyright? Because it might not matter that much to me, but just saying. Yeah,
just because you disagree with someone doesn't mean the other person believes that the law and the truth don't matter.
I think maybe we're talking about the bar stuff here. I'm not sure though. At least with the truth or whatever, because he thinks.
Well, whether he's talking about you or me or Dave Neal or the bar guy or Judge Mata, I mean,
yeah,
it's just it's a straw man argument because nobody, he can't cite a blog or a video or something where someone was like, I don't believe law and truth matter. Like, nobody says that. So clearly it's just a disagreement, or people are interpreting things differently, or people are interpreting evidence differently. It's not, he's sort of extrapolating that to this weird extreme that doesn't make sense. Because nobody ever said that. Nobody ever said they believe the law and the truth don't matter.
Right.
And if they did, add a citation.
Yeah.
And argue with them. I'll argue with them, probably.
This is the most disturbing photo I think I've ever seen.
What?
Thank you for your contribution here. Thought it was a one-way ticket to Florida. He did say that, yes, but apparently he is back in Arizona. I don't actually know how to
sometimes taxidermy goes a little sideways. You just gotta go with the flow.
The state bar was like, "We need you back in town."
I'm sorry, I'm pulling it up one more time.
Were they? Are those little teeth?
I think we need the wig and red turtleneck on that thing.
Can somebody put the red sweater on this? This isn't a dog, is it? Is this like a dead? What is it?
It looks like a taxidermied animal.
Yeah, it does. But like, if you did a really bad job at your taxidermy, holy shit! This is like an amateur taxidermy class.
It's like when they talk about civilizations that have never seen like giant sailboats, and then the giant sailboats show up and their brains like don't know how to register the sailboat, so they can't even figure out what they're looking at. That's how I feel about this animal.
Oh, I know what I'm looking at. A chinchilla and a squirrel had sex, and then the baby died, and somebody turned it into a puppet. That's what we're looking at right there.
Unique gunt.
Sounds very speculative, but okay.
So you don't like my profile picture? No, I love it. It's deeply disturbing to me. I love it.
I mean, we've had it up on the screen for like an hour, so we're enamored.
Oh, I mean, I'm gonna be looking at it for hours.
Wait, will you put it up for one more second?
Yeah, I mean, it's gonna be my wallpaper.
Okay.
It's gonna be my Tinder profile.
Pic. What are you doing? No, don't tell me.
What?
Don't tell me.
Am I doing something?
Yeah, of course you are.
Ninjaing.
All right. Okay, we get through this. Since people are going to talk anyways, wouldn't it be better to include my version? No. You contribute nothing to society. I'm sorry. Yes, I know the cult hates my version, but that's only an additional reason to share it. But you're literally only talking to people who hate you.
What is he talking about, though? What does my version mean? Version implies like, I don't know, a hypothesis or different.
Well, as far as I know, there was red version and there's blue version and there's yellow version, and then later there was like gold and silver.
Does he mean his interpretation of the case?
Oh yeah, that. Whatever.
I mean, he threatened to explain in a YouTube video why he thinks or why he believes Laura was really pregnant, but he never made that video. So it would be interesting if that's what he's, that's the problem with his writing. It's just too vague. I can't figure out exactly what he's talking about here.
Well, I think the next paragraph is when he starts frothing at the mouth. He's like, I'm mulling. Oh my God, what did you do?
Oh boy, there it is. Also, there's no cult. He says the cult hates my version. Like, what do you mean? Oh boy, there. Oh wow.
If you get a figure, I will change it. I don't want to copy, but
this picture has a lot more detail than I thought it would. Okay.
Here we go.
Yeah. Okay. Like, first of all, there's no cult. Second of all, like, if he has a theory of the case, if I disagree with it, that doesn't mean I hate it. It just means or if I don't believe that Laura provides sufficient evidence that she was pregnant or that Clayton was the father, it doesn't mean I hate, his interpretation. This doesn't make sense.
Are you gonna copyright strike me?
Wait, put it back. Put it back.
Oh, me? No.
Yeah, you.
If we have two of them on the screen at the same time, do they kiss?
Wait, you want me to? Oh.
I want to find out.
Okay, I want to kiss buttons. Hold on.
Oh boy. It's that kind of night.
Oh my God.
Meow. Or wait, what kind of noise is it? Yiff? I don't.
What kind of noise it makes?
Yeah.
Oh, no, tell us, Bruce. Make the noise.
Does it yiff?
Make the noise, Bruce.
I don't know.
We're not going anywhere until you make the noise.
Skirt, skirt.
Oh my God. I have an erection.
Wait, maybe it says. Here, wait, I got it.
It's got to be a little squeaky.
Wait, right?
Oh yeah.
No, don't do the porn sound.
Do it. Make it animally though.
What?
Like porn, but animal.
Wait, put me back up.
Oh, okay, I'm scared.
Like 50% porn, 50% taxidermy.
Oh my God.
That's like all porn, no taxidermy.
You're so done. You're done. Bye. Anyways.
What?
She's gone now.
I'm putting that on the soundboard.
Fuck. I hate you.
Oh my God, everybody just stop watching the stream. Why?
I guess I should show my tits now.
Make it porn, but animal, Bruce.
We're not on OnlyFans yet.
Katie, too much porn, not enough taxidermy. A story of my
an Animal Planet. Okay. Anyway, what were we here to talk about?
He says what to do.
Okay, so this was like the dumbest part of this whole thing. For now, let's just say this: I'm mulling it over like Cedric Diggory in the bathtub. I predict some interesting stuff will happen this week. Lies will be exposed. Accusations will be made.
Whoa.
I mean, you've made the accusations already, my friend.
Woodnick will be in jail, and so will Mata.
What?
Wrongs will begin to be righted. Justice will be sought. Well, Woodnick and Mata's dad are in a relationship, in case you didn't know.
I mean, the problem is he predicts that his motions are going to go through. He predicts that he's going to win the case. He predicts that he's going to win the appeal. He predicts that, Dave Neal's going to be homeless. He predicts all these. He predicts that Laura's going to sue everybody. And none of his predictions come true. He doesn't have any predictions that ever come true about this case. So why his credibility is kind of shot on predictions. I feel like he needs to abandon predictions and just stick with evidence. That's why, like, if he's got if he's got trivia, drop the trivia. I'd love to hear it.
Look, Laura's gonna do like a Sarah Boone style suing for child support from jail.
I mean, child support for who? The fake twins?
Yeah, all 1,400 of them.
That were adopted by that lady.
That's right. I forgot about the lady.
3 months premature. Oh dear.
She texted the adoption hotline and they found someone.
Or was it 9 months after they were born? I don't remember.
There are 321 listeners. That is a sad state of our world. That people are listening.
Why? It's Monday night. Not everybody is watching the football game. Who's winning, by the way?
No, but they're not all watching people talk about gunts either. So I mean,
what? Are the Vikings winning? What's going on, guys? Someone tell me.
I don't even know who's playing tonight.
I think it's the Vikings and the Bears in Chicago.
Oh my!
I know. Lions and Vikings and Bears. Oh my! Chicago is winning? What? What is wrong with the Vikings?
We have the Chiefs for Monday Night Football this year, and I think I'm going to go. But people are going to think I'm stalking Taylor Swift now that I like her.
I mean, you might as well.
I like her.
Everybody else does.
Yeah.
Why not?
Well, I was never that girl, Bruce, and now I am.
Lauren, you know my friend Nick. Nick is a big Vikings fan, and the Vikings are losing, so it's very sad. It's all Nick's fault.
What about that Bills game last night?
It's your fault. What's up?
There are a lot of weird
Bills
games.
game last night.
Yeah,
didn't see it. I was at the Jags game, and then I passed the fuck out when I got home.
You should watch like the last 4 minutes.
It's pretty crazy.
It was.
I could barely watch 4 minutes of the game I was at. The sun was like beating down on me the entire time.
Oh, yeah.
Packers looked pretty strong.
Yeah.
Did he delete the blog? Oh, someone go check if he deleted this already.
I don't think so. This is why are we in Word? Because it's going to make it harder for him to copyright strike me.
Well, you can check it off screen.
I'll check on my phone so he can't get my IP address.
My
I don't
problem
have my
is,
thing turned on.
David, my address is... No, I'm good.
I mean, my problem is...
I live next to your mom.
Oh, boy. Like, he's always complaining about, like he says here, lies will be exposed. Like, here's the problem I think he doesn't understand. If you want to prove somebody lied, you need to prove that they said something that is wrong and that they knew the correct answer, but they said the incorrect answer anyway. And I don't know how you do that. It's very difficult. So how do you disambiguate a lie, which is purposeful misinformation, from a mistake, miscommunication, speculation, guesswork,
well,
best
if I
wishes.
May, help you demonstrate your point. I lied about banging David's sister.
Oh boy, what? When did you do that?
I didn't. That's the point.
What?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, see, that would be a lie because you know you didn't. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, exactly. So, if Dave Neal, like, I don't know, if there was some text messages where he was like, oh yeah, I totally know that Laura is brunette.
Oh yeah, this
Dave
is my
Neal makes a video saying, oh, Laura's blonde, tee hee hee.
Oh yeah, the abortion only worked on one baby, Mike. Like, I'm sorry.
What?
That's a lie.
I mean,
for the fourth time. It's so sad.
What about my tee hee hee?
I wonder if he thinks he has something up his sleeve for her in Mike's case.
In Mike's case? I thought he dipped out.
Well, he says he did.
Yeah, but this guy's on drugs. He doesn't know.
He didn't work behind the scenes.
He says he did, and the filing by Omar hasn't been, at least that we know of. Who knows when that docket is going to be updated?
Hasn't been ruled on, right?
Exactly. It hasn't been ruled on, which, from my understanding, it's probably going to be granted. But
this dude's snorting, in my opinion, I think this dude is snorting Adderall and cocaine until he dies. So I don't trust anything that he says. I don't think he even remembers saying that. So who cares?
See, I think that would be speculation.
Wow.
Yeah, you could say that if I were wrong, but I'm not.
Well, I mean, it'd be hard to prove that you thought that it was incorrect. Like,
I don't think it's incorrect.
You'd have to have some sort of 24/7 video surveillance.
Maybe she has the evidence but can't show it.
That's what. Well, it's hard to prove a negative. That's the
David's
problem.
my
It's
Adderall
proving
guy.
a negative, right? She's speculating about something. So to prove that she knows it's wrong, you need to prove the negative.
Health insurance got real tricky, guys. So I just hit up David whenever I need my.
She has a
Desperately
selfie of them
ADHD.
together snorting Adderall.
I'm trying to explain the logic, and you guys are talking about Adderall. I don't know.
Well, I need the Adderall for my logic, Bruce. And David's been in
Chat, I
Florida for
tried.
2 weeks, so I haven't had my fix. So I need you to.
Justice will be sought. I mean, justice is really a process, right? Like,
I thought you were quoting like Charlie Brown or something for a second. I was like,
no, I mean, I'm looking at his thing here. I mean, just if you think,
I'm sorry.
if you think Karen Reed is guilty, if you think Karen Reed's really innocent, like you have an opinion, right? And if the process goes smoothly and the jury has a finding, then that process, as long as there wasn't anything bad, maybe that's a bad case to use, but anyway, as long as the process goes smoothly, maybe, the Adelson case is better, a better example. Maybe you think not innocent, maybe you think she's guilty, but as long as the process is followed, that is justice in the American criminal justice system. So you can have an opinion, but that's orthogonal to the process. So I don't
Amy
know.
Shanks is upset that we have not explained what we are talking about.
Who?
I don't think she's Amy Shanks. Hello.
Well, I signed in on this podcast. I have no idea what we're talking about. I've asked 3 times. See you later. Bye. Amy, listen, I'm too high to read. I was too high to read this comment. I didn't see what you wrote before.
I mean,
and to be honest, you're not going to get an answer from me until like next month. So let's just
here's
forget
the thing. So this is related to the Laura Owens case. Laura Owens had an attorney. Her attorney is now hinting at big drama in this Unhinged blog post that we've been commentating on. And that's what's going on. And it's also in the title of the video.
She's a serial
if you want to get all literal about it.
Yeah. Have you met me?
Yes.
It's about a woman who lies about almost
figurative.
Everything.
Do I do figurative? I don't know. Rich is going live. Oh boy.
What's happened in the last day? Oh,
I see.
He came back from a prolonged break and decided to be just as cracked out as he was before he left, even though he was doing really well.
Laura's attorney, David S. Gingras, Esquire, he's having a crisis of spirit. He doesn't know if he wants to continue talking about the case or not. And so he's having an internal monologue with himself about whether he wants to talk about the case more. Except it leaked out of being internal, and now it's on the internet in his published blog. So we're analyzing it and trying to see what we can learn. We did learn that, I guess, what did we learn? I don't know. I don't think we've learned much yet. He says he has some tea, but he won't say what the tea is.
I learned what a gunt was.
Oh boy.
Oh, just a second.
Where are you going?
Is it breaking
I'm
news?
not going anywhere. I'm going to show you something in just a moment here.
Oh, don't show me your gunt.
I already showed you my gun.
Ooh, I'll take a look.
To tell people about that.
Oh, you've never seen. I'm not going to show you my gun. That'd be so inappropriate.
Are you going to show Bruce?
I already showed. No, never. Nope. He's never going to see that.
That's pretty fucking rude.
That would be inappropriate.
No, I mean, unless he asks nicely.
What? No, I don't need to see that.
Can I have some more gunt, please?
No.
And now you're quoting me. This is fun.
I decline. Deny. Motion to quash. Motion to quash.
I think the worst thing here is that you are high and I'm not.
You can fix that. I cannot.
I don't have.
Is this blog over? It's not over, right? Because isn't there stuff about flooring or Home Depot or something? What is?
So do I talk about all this or do I shut up? Maybe next week the right choice will become clear.
It's so conflicted. What happens next week? This is another example. He's like a middle schooler that goes on Facebook and Vaguebooks.
That's when he runs out of his supply.
Do you know Vaguebooking, Lauren?
I know Vaguebooking. I did the Vaguebooking in high school.
That's what this whole thing is. He's like, oh, next week, something like, oh, maybe I should spill some tea. He just sounds like, he's just a tease. He's a Vaguebooking tease.
A tease.
Yeah, a tea tease.
Does that mean tea? What?
I tried. I don't know. Oh dear. Why? No. It does look more like a bat now that it has hair.
It looks more like David.
I don't know why it didn't look like a bat before. But now it looks way more like a bat.
The ear is like one of my favorite parts.
I think, the hair really makes the ears pop. It's like a good combo. It's like good interior decorating.
I can see my eyes glazing over in real
perfection.
time. What is happening right now?
I don't like this triple view. It's creeping me out.
And then my name also has no vowels except the end. So it's like if this creature were saying it.
Why did you do that?
This is my Jackbox version of my name because it's too long to have all the vowels.
Oh, Jackbox.
Yeah. Schnitzel Ninja. There it is.
Amazing.
Thanks.
Sorry, I'm texting.
Sorry, I'm texting.
I'm trying to figure out if this guy's telling us anything. Erica says the kind of tea he's providing is poop tea. Oh no. Poop tea.
Excuse me?
Erica says it's poop tea.
All right, we gotta finish this up real quick because we got about 15 minutes before I am gone. All right.
Oh, we passed that 15 minutes a long time ago.
Oof.
Wait, can I read it?
Yes, please.
Where is it?
Ma'am.
Which
Having said that,
having said that, the bottom line is that I still feel the same way. I'd like everyone to just move on, seriously. But some wishes don't come true. And some fights are unavoidable.
Fights? Why has he got to fight with anybody?
Lauren, did you smoke a bowl or have an edible? Because I need
Lauren,
some.
Did you smoke a bowl or have an edible? Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Here's the thing. If he just had a decent conversation with someone on Twitter, it wouldn't be a fight. Like, it always turns into a fight and then he blocks people because he kind of gets angry and rude.
Because he's a little bitch.
Well, I mean,
I blocked him first and then he got mad. I don't want to
insult the guy, but it just seems like he has this pattern of like getting angry at people on the internet when they just ask him reasonable questions.
He gets mad at anybody who does that. He's got like some serious fucking issues and complexes, in my opinion.
I miss you, David.
I mean, some anger management therapy wouldn't be bad.
It's like binoculars.
Oh my god. Wait, okay, I'm gonna finish this up. So the only question is whether you shut your mouth and let the trolls win, or whether you attempt to cap a fire hose of lies with your own truth.
Fire hose of lies. This is so literary. I mean, here's the problem again. He keeps saying there's lies, but then he doesn't cite any evidence about lies. He doesn't have a URL or a video link or a timestamp or a quote, and then the information to refute that, to demonstrate that it's incorrect. Once you've done that, you have to go show that the person actually knew the correct answer in addition to saying the incorrect thing in order to classify it as a lie. He hasn't done any of this.
He doesn't understand that process.
He makes the claims without doing any of the groundwork, the foundation, the legwork. I mean, it sounds like some nice literary prose here, but it's pretty hollow because I don't even know what lie or lies he's referring to here. It's just too unspecific. And that to me is the most disappointing thing about a lot of his Twitter or blog writing, is that it's just not specific and detailed enough, with attention to detail.
It's something he has in common with Laura.
Oh, baby. Of all the disappointments, that is not one that came to my life first.
Anyway.
And then he proves that JFC knew what he was doing. They
This thing
guessed it
just
right.
keeps- I know.
Some wishes
Tiling
don't
mom's
come true.
porch and
I wish
season.
that he would just have a picture of himself as like a genie coming out of the bottle, like right under that paragraph.
He's the red genie, though.
The red genie?
Going back
What?
in. He's Jafar, the genie Jafar.
I don't remember Aladdin 2.
Jafar turns into the genie, and he's a red genie and gets sucked up into the lamp.
Hot.
Yeah. He's the red genie.
All right.
What JFC guessed I was doing, tilling mom's porch and seething.
Tiling. Not tilling.
What? Tiling. Whoops. Tilling.
Tilling would be like
he was starting
farming.
from the ground up.
Yeah.
Tilling the dirt. Then tiling.
You gotta scroll down, Lauren, so we can be done.
Oh, okay.
And get out of this dumpster
There's
fire.
banana.
Banana? What? Oh, bananagram.
So he says what JFC guessed I was doing, tiling mom's porch and seething, and then he shows where somebody guessed that seething and muttering about Omar and Rule 26 under his breath. What makes you think he was doing it under his breath? He was definitely screaming. While either tiling his mom's porch or sitting in rehab. And then he says what I was actually doing was tiling mom's porch and seething, no rehab. That is not a brag.
Those are the two things that should have been numbers 2 and 3. Not numbers 1 and 2.
I mean, bananagram is correct because the or is, it's a union conditional. It could be A or B or both. Right?
Should have been both.
Assuming we're talking about inclusive or as opposed to exclusive or, but even if it was exclusive or, they were still correct because we've got tiling the porch, but not going to rehab, according to him. So either way, bananagram is correct. Logically, I think.
Karen Karsten says tiling mom's porch is the name of the garage band. David
Oh, that'd be a good band name. Tiling mom's porch. It's a little hard to say. You could shorten it to TMP. I went to the TMP concert last night.
David should have been in rehab rather than installing tiles in Florida. That's just what we call it here.
That is good advice, actually.
Yeah, it is.
That's probably the most rational advice we've heard all night here in this stream.
Is there more? Is that it?
I didn't include the
down.
pictures of his mom's house. I left those out because
good idea.
It's irrelevant. We don't.
He already wants to sue me, so like, why give him extra? You know what I mean? Like,
hey, yeah. I mean, I always have a piece of my heart ready to be convinced by Laura and Gingras with good evidence.
Yeah, I think
that's like many of us who were drawn to this, we were open to anything being the answer, and we followed what the answers said, right?
Yeah.
I just followed what Tag said. So
I want to pick on him a little bit about using the thin pen on his iPhone to underline that.
The thin pen?
What? You know how you can change the thickness of how your finger is going to write?
That would solve a lot of my problems.
You're drawing on a picture. So he chose the thin one and went one way like scraggly and back the other way, a scraggle or two.
Excuse me?
Put it back up.
Oh, what
is this an iPhone thing?
Yeah.
I don't know. I have a
See the red line.
Oh, yeah.
He could have made it thicker, but he chose to use a tiny, skinny little line.
Oh.
I'm sorry. Why does that fucking
line
matter?
shaming him?
I'm just being honest. Why the fuck does that matter?
I just think it's funny.
Are you saying girth matters?
What? No, they're all great. They're all exactly just as good as the next.
I gotta tell you, I thought they were all pretty bad, but that's just me.
They're terrible.
I definitely tried them all.
No, it's just it doesn't matter at all. Just when I saw that earlier, it made me giggle.
If he had thicker fingers, would it be a thicker line?
No, it's not like pressure sensitive like that.
Okay.
Or size.
I was what? Oh boy. I was worried he had maybe like tile grout all up under his fingernails or something. Maybe that was giving him an issue.
You're very thoughtful, Bruce.
I try. I'm looking out for. No, I'm not.
I'm just
looking out for this
imagining
guy,
him
but-
sitting there like when he printed that fucking thing for his car. Like, so like I'm gonna print
out. I forgot about that.
this out. I'm gonna underline this.
Oh boy.
Look at my Ferrari.
Yeah, like who cares? Yeah,
Sorry,
that's
that's
the thing. Like, why is this guy reading Discord? Like,
He's
Oh,
a
yeah,
narcissist
yeah.
and he needs attention, in my opinion.
it's just not healthy, to go. If you
I don't
disagree
know.
with these people, you shouldn't be reading all their forums.
Well,
I
he's
some
clearly-
people can't. I think some people can't help but do that.
And I
Oh,
mean,
that
if
was
it was
legal, huh?
useful, like, I don't know. There's some example, like if somebody had some hypothetical about the case that involved, seeing telehealth, and they got something wrong in Discord, and he could like write something like a little blog about the correct thing or something. I don't know. That would be nice, but that's not what they do. They take a little screenshot and then they make a blog and they're like, look at this person in Discord talking smack.
Well,
Like, yeah, it's the internet.
time,
People talk smack. Like, you can't stop them.
a few months ago when Layla's attorney had talked, Layla from PS Creative, for those of you guys who don't remember, her attorney had talked to David or something. I messaged a smaller group chat that I had in Discord, and I was like, I just want to fuck with something really quick and see if it works. So then I went into Dave's, which we all know that Laura and David are stalking there, and I was like, I have it on good authority that David lied about meeting with the PS Creative attorney.
Oh boy.
And then he tweets about it like a couple hours later. He's like, Lauren's a liar. I was just like, David.
I remember you saying like, I just did this. Don't say anything.
Yeah, I know. I was like, I'm sorry. I'm about to post a lie. And
Damn it, Lauren. So you did lie. So we have one.
I
So
did lie, but it was funny because he tweeted about it.
we've now documented more lies than he has
Yeah,
about ourselves.
Right.
But you did it to troll him or something, I guess.
absolutely.
That's so
yeah. And then
edgy.
I was talking to Layla on the stream when he tweeted that, and I was like, oh my god, he fell for it. That was a good time.
That's like when you're in like second grade or whatever, and you're running around, outside with your friends before the internet, and kids went outside, and your friend is like, don't go past that fence post. There's laser beams and it'll chop your arm off. And
Promise.
And then so you're all careful not to go through the laser beams. And then he's like, I was just joking. There's no laser beams.
And then he gets shocked by the laser beams.
No, there's no laser beams.
And then he dies, bleeds out and dies on the playground. Yep.
Decapitated.
That's what you
I
were
remember
doing,
exactly
Lauren.
what you're talking about.
You were telling Gingras about the fake laser beams, and he fell for it.
Mhm.
That was my favorite childhood story growing up.
What?
Yeah.
The kid who actually got shocked by the laser beam.
What?
Are you fucking with me?
No, it's like the boy who cried wolf.
She's fucking around now. I don't.
She's fucking with us.
There's no laser beams on him.
How could I
fence.
fuck with you with this face? Come on.
Shut your mouth.
With those teeth.
I hate you.
Pretty easily. Oh,
all right. Anyways, in other news, I'm not gonna pull it up because I don't have it up. A Supreme Court thing. They added what 6,500 in fees or something.
Something like that. I can't remember that.
That's about all we got to say about that. There was really nothing to look at much.
It's like sales tax.
Yeah.
Our
Hope
standard
Johnson,
is pretty high.
Hope Johnson, thank you for the $5. They're like binoculars. They are like binoculars. Jesus. Jermaine down, please call Elo the C word. That is all YouTube shenanigans. Understandable. Laura's a cunt. Thank you for your patronage.
Rude.
All right. I don't really. I mean, cut and dry. I don't really know what else to say to that. I think I already said it a couple times.
I tried.
Continually building upon his embarrassing behavior. Well, David and I have that in common. So,
don't we all?
I don't know if it's embarrassing. It's just not productive. It's disappointing.
I would call it embarrassing. Yeah, I would. for a licensed attorney. 1,000%.
Yeah.
All the other lawyers are wrong about Rule 26.
I mean, based on the feedback we've heard
Rachel,
from
would
other
you like
lawyers,
a cookie? What the fuck?
maybe that's true. Yeah.
So embarrassing.
I don't know. I'm not a lawyer, so I'm not gonna.
I think Gators suck. I think you suck. All right?
Damn.
Sorry, that hurt my feelings.
Go Vikings.
I mean, it wouldn't hurt my feelings as much if they didn't suck, but they do suck. So, how dare you rub that in? I was there. I remember how that went 3 days ago.
I have to trust you. I didn't see it.
Oh,
What?
Save yourself. We lost to USF, a team that we paid $500,000 to come play us.
Oh,
So,
why did you do that?
I haven't seen anything quite like that since they lost to Georgia Southern, and that was like over 10 years ago. But it was the last like 3 minutes of the game, and man, I don't know, they just couldn't get a stop, and they kicked a field goal. The other team kicked a field goal to win the game in the last 3 seconds, and I was just like, I came all the way here for this.
Oh, it's like that Bills game, man.
That was supposed to be the one game of the season where it was like, you definitely win that game.
Yeah,
Oh.
right.
We didn't win. So,
At least it was close.
yo, it was not supposed to be close. Like I said, they paid that team $500,000 to come to the stadium and play our team so they could beat down on a cupcake in the home opener, and they lost.
I
So,
want a cupcake.
We're all like the first string players playing and everything.
yep.
Oh, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Wow. That's embarrassing.
Yes, it is.
Well, maybe your little sports
We're gonna be able to
ballers
take that
will
trip
sports
on
harder
them.
next week.
Oh, well, they'll have to do it far away from me because I'm not going to New Orleans to watch that shit show.
It's a long trip.
Yeah, it is.
Would
And,
Gingras
it's
spilling
not
the
gonna go well.
tea be a violation of attorney-client privilege? Yeah, I mean,
on
there's
what
probably
tea
things he
he's
can't talk
spilling.
about, right?
Yeah.
I mean, he made
That's
her.
the problem. He's just Vaguebooking at this point. We don't know what kind of tea he's talking
He's
about.
talking about his own bar stuff. I think he said that there was some sort of release they would have to sign before he could talk about it in his rant before he deleted Twitter.
Oh, I
Wasn't there?
see.
He said he asked for a protective order, and so now they had to sign off on something before he could share. So if it's about that, then
So maybe his tea is less about the Owens v. Eckerd case and more about everybody versus DSG.
That would track more, I think.
yeah.
Do you guys think they're friends? Do you think he considers her his friend?
I mean, they're boning, so
What?
I'm sorry. I really think they are.
Oh,
I can't help you.
speculation.
I'm sorry.
No.
I think they're fucking. I can't help it
Why?
because the dude got arrested like right next to her house.
I think they're fucking other people over.
Oh, well,
Not well.
that's
It's not going well, if that's the case.
Lauren, did you ever watch the Flat Earth documentary on Netflix?
Yes, Bruce, I have subscribed to that.
She was in it.
What?
Yeah.
No.
She's the one who discovered on the video that it's not flat.
I feel like my fence has
square.
lasers now.
It's an oval. Somebody said it's round, so now I know it's an oval.
The trolling is coming from inside the building. He's working on it. I bet he's bought new underwear.
What?
I am so scared.
Kimbo
what I
thinks
did.
Gingras bought new underwear.
Oh my.
I think people are just speculating.
Did he shart?
I did.
Well, you know, if you're gonna sweat a lot, you might want to sweat into new underwear.
I'm so glad we're having this conversation.
100% spandex.
Oh dear.
I mean 69% cotton.
Spanx.
That's what Laura was into. Oh, he fills her cup and others.
He's cup slang.
Diva cup.
Ew.
She fills his diva cup.
It's not a good cup to fill.
Oh, no, it's not actually.
Oh boy.
Couple tablespoons worth.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
I want to die.
I am dead.
Somebody report this video for suicidality.
Lauren, did you ever have to,
I'm dead and stuffed.
did you have to ever have to take health class like in middle school or whatever?
High school, yeah.
High school?
High school,
Yeah,
man. That explains a lot.
They made
So
us in 9th grade, and so then I thought I was straight.
in a related story, when I was in, what was it, 7th grade, 6th grade health class? I don't know what it was, but anyway, the teacher, he thought that kids would have questions, but he didn't think that they would want to ask them out loud, right, in front of all the other kids. So he had a day where we could write our questions on paper, and he would pull the questions out of a hat, try to answer them. And he wanted everybody to write a question, right? And I couldn't think of a question because, like, I know what I'm doing, you know? Like, anyway. So I have to write a question. And my question is, when a lady gets pregnant, you know, she has a big belly. If she has twins, like, how they fit in there? Because one's big enough, it seems like, right? That was my question. Little did I know I'd be here talking about the fake twins of this case all the time.
Well, what did he say?
What?
What did your teacher say?
He said it was really a good question, actually, because he was getting some, you know, because some people put the jokester questions in there, whatever, you know, or dumb questions or something. I don't know. No, there's no dumb questions. But anyway, he said it was a really good question. I don't even remember the answer. I think he just said, like, the babies are smaller, and, you know, that's what makes it a riskier pregnancy or something. So we get to double high risk pregnancies. It's all coming back. Education.
There it is.
You know. So I thought that was funny. I had asked about twins in 7th grade. Lauren doesn't care.
Your face is so red.
There are 100% dumb questions. No, I mean,
my face is not as red as it usually is. Anytime I have caffeine,
not everybody knows the same stuff.
Anytime I have caffeine, my face turns so fucking red.
Oh, interesting. What is it the same with alcohol too, or no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or
maybe you have that gene.
I don't know what the gene is, but I know that anytime I have anything fun, I'm fucking red in the face.
Does it affect anything else, like heart beat or anything? That's good.
But I also have this thing called red ear syndrome, where one side of my face, I'll get like, usually it's my right ear, will get like really red for no reason, and so I'll have just like a red side of my face.
Huh. Is it sore or just the color?
No, I mean, it hurts sometimes because it gets really hot, and I'm like, what the fuck is happening? And so I have to like blast the fan on it or something, and there's like nothing you can do about it.
That's crazy.
Yeah, I know.
They don't know like what causes it?
No. But it won't be like my whole face. It'll be just my ear. Like my ear will get so red right here, and then it'll kind of like extend my face.
Wow.
It's a really weird problem.
Do you
Somebody
sleep
says
on
I get the ear thing too. I'm not alone.
Do you sleep on that side?
No, and it never happens after I sleep either. I'll just be sitting there working, and it'll be like, "Why the fuck is my ear hot?"
Do you sleep hanging upside down like a bat?
Yeah,
like me.
I thought so.
I just sit on a shelf now.
Okay, so I'm gonna go.
That's probably for the best.
Yeah, I think I'm tired.
That's all the best.
Yeah, thank you guys for hanging out. Sorry, I
shout out to Zach.
A little bit. But to be fair, the source material we were going over was not too educational. I was like, well, maybe I'll be fine.
I think that was like the most boring blog of his we've read.
It just sounded very paranoid to me.
100%.
A little maybe delusional, honestly. If I had to pick between those two, and I had to pick one of them was delusional, I'd say David.
I just get disappointed at the vagueness. Like, I want the details, but it's not detailed enough.
I love the vagueness. It gives me more opportunities to be a bitch.
Give us the deets, David.
I know, right?
Maybe if you send him an email.
I would never contact
me neither
that person ever under any circumstances.
Yeah. It's not advisable.
No.
All right, good night, Gunts. See ya.
Good night.
Ew.
Oh.
Thank you and good night. Bye.